Patay mo na yan! Patay na! Gigigit ka eh. Katawan na, Per!
We have a unanimous decision. Here are the scores of the three judges. Judge Comia scored it 36-39. Judge Hokosol scored it 36-39. Judge Lorente scored it 37-38. Winner by unanimous decision, Evan Reyna. Go play! Go play!